We did 3 operations this morning. We took this out. We took this out because this appears to be a British pipe thread and we can't find a connection for that. Then we bought a through hull that's a 1-inch through hull, and we drilled out a 1-inch hole to put the through hull in. And we did that. And then lastly, on the back of the tank there was a fiberglass, a piece of fiberglass that had been put on after that through hull was on there that overlapped. So I just took the fine tool and cut that flat so there's a place for the nut to sit when we tightened down the through hull. We also went ahead and installed the water pump. There was already a base for the water pump. We went ahead and got screws and installed that. So now we're down to plumbing this all together, and that's going to happen hopefully by the end of today. There you go. All right, we got it.
Yeah.
Do you need to label it at all?
No.
Okay.
So turn off the other switches now. I found in the bilge. Interesting.
So it must be, doesn't go in that, so it must be to another one?
Right, exactly. It's the one it's the one of them that's been abandoned apparently. So the question is, do we have the other half of that fitting? We probably don't. It's a real mess, but I do think we can make it work. Alright. See, is that long enough to tie it to a 90 there? Look at that, it holds a bend. Who knew? So we can make it actually a reverse curve in it. Turn the pump on.
Pump on. It's open. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Look at that!
Wow.
Woo-hoo!
That's coming out strong too.
4-gallon pump.
Look at that.
Okay, that's leaking there.
Yeah.
Okay.